everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make PreCure dress cake. I made it with my daughter for her birthday party. Her birthday is on November 29th and her brother's birthday is on November 20th, but she said she wants to do her birthday first. So we decided to make her cake first together and it turned out really perfect and cute. So I will share with you how we made it, and at the end of the video I will share what we did last year because last year I didn't have time to edit the video. I'm still busy now, but it's different from last year. Last year I was busy at home taking care of kids, but now this year I'm taking kids to outside activities and that's a lot of work. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
What you need is here. I bought this at 100yen shop, Seria. Draw Kure Milky on a parchment paper, flip it over and attach it on a board to carry to the fridge. Draw the outer frame with black chocolate pen. Now cool in the fridge for a few seconds. Then paint starting from light shade to dark if you can is okay. Cover the image with white chocolate to reinforce the picture. Now let's start making the shortcake. I'm going to make white and blue whipped cream. Place one layer of sponge cake in a bowl. Stuff the whipped cream and strawberries. Place another layer of sponge cake on top. Flip it over onto a plate. Cover with whipped cream. Now use blue whipped cream to decorate the dress. garnish with chocolates and sugar sprinkles. Place Cure Milky chocolate on top. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Happy birthday to you! お誕生日おめでとう！ふーってして。
うわすごいね。
輝いた。バンした。シュガシュガ。
あ、これ？
いるの。あとで遊びたいの。
Happy birthday!
早い。
Happy birthday!